Remy, Cal, I want you guys to take a deep breath. Okay. Look out at everyone that is here to celebrate you and your love. Some of these guests may have met you first, Remy, while some have known you first, Cal. Many of them have never met each other. But what's amazing, what you should soak in, is that your love for each other has brought all of us together.
Is this thing on?
You guys mean the world to us, and we promise that we're going to make this weekend worth it. We have a lot of surprises in store, so can't wait to celebrate with everyone.
Enjoy the food. Love you. And the bar, please.
When she told me about this guy that she met in 2020, I was in protective brother mode and pretty skeptical of any guys she would date. And then I finally got to meet Cal, and instantly I let my guard down. And Cal was calm, kind, and someone immune to being flustered. In other words, he was exactly what Remy needed. Over the years, watching them together has been like watching the perfect rom-com. There's laughter, a little drama, a lot of crazy outfits, and somehow even the tough moments seem to bring them closer. Cal, thank you for loving my sister the way you do, for balancing her fire with your calm, and for being her rock and genuinely being one of the best people I've met in my life.
I just want to say thank you for everything, and I love you all, and I'm so excited. And I really have been loving this journey because I feel like I've gotten to grow even closer with each and every one of you, which I wasn't even expecting, but it's just been so special, and Cal and I appreciate that, so thank you.
You're the most generous, kind human being this world has ever seen. You are so selfless, and I think the next line is Kaylee's.
She's right about that. Remy, you have the most beautiful soul. You are the type of person to have a million...
I told you.
To have a million things on your plate, but still find the time to call and check in to see how you can help those around you. Remy, being loved by you is one of the greatest gifts. We are fiercely protective of this sweet baby angel sitting right before us. So we had high expectations for her finding a partner that truly deserves someone as great as Remy.
Pretty amazing. Got the ocean out there.
Well, any guy who has ever had an older brother here can probably sympathize with me when I say that I spent a good chunk of my early childhood just trying to be Cal. Like, I was literally just trying to do the same thing that he was doing, like, at all times. If he liked a movie, I liked that movie. If we were at, like, the pool and he jumped into the water a certain way, there I was running right behind him, doing the same thing, just a little bit worse. And that was the main issue. Cal kind of couldn't help but set the bar too high a lot of the time. And I do mean he couldn't help it, because things kind of always had a habit of working out for Cal. And look around, that's never really changed.
Just a little thank you gift for, being here with me, and let's get this done, y'all.
So handsome, gentle and sweet, knocks me off my feet every time I see him. Handsome man.
Let's go.
I don't even know his name.
It's the greatest day ever.
I don't know where he lives, but he's still to blame for all the misery he gives, because he's handsome. So handsome.
That damn love letter.
Gentle and sweet, knocks me off my feet every time I see him. Handsome man.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How you doing, Cal?
I'm not okay.
Cal, 6 years ago to the day, in this very moment, I was getting ready for what I thought was just going to be another date with a guy that I met off a dating app. Little did I realize that my life was about to change forever. You came into my life when I wasn't looking for anyone and opened my heart in ways I never expected.
It's big difference.
The day you asked me to marry you was the best day of my life because it meant, oh God, it meant I get to spend the rest of my life with the best person and my best friend. Baby.
Hi.
Oh my God, I'm so nervous.
Oh, crap.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You look so
Oh, my
handsome.
God. Oh, my God. You look incredible.
You look like a handsome penguin.
Thank you.
You like it?
God, you look incredible.
Growing up as the oldest daughter, I often felt like I always had to look out for everyone around me. I could never fully let my guard down. I always had to take care of everyone else first. I could never have a bad day, and I always had to be 10 steps ahead. When I met you for the first time in my life, I felt like I could finally take a real breath and be taken care of. I've never had someone care and worry so much about me before. You guys, it's happening.
I am a self-proclaimed movie nerd, so I have to pull a movie quote. This is from Val Kilmer's character in the movie Heat. It's one of the best movies of all time. It goes, "For me, the sun rises and sets with her. You are my beginning, middle, and end." Absolutely radiant. When you walk into a room, it's immediate. Everyone's energy is up. Everyone's nicer, friendlier, and most importantly, you bring a smile to everyone's face. If only you could see it from my eyes, because it is the most incredible power I've ever witnessed. I vow to always be there for you, to love you forever, to protect you, to grow old with you, to be your forever. You have my whole heart, remicruz. I vow to always catch you in my arms forever.
I promise to always root for the Packers. I promise I'll try to not get upset when you forget to do something that I asked 15 minutes before. I promise to keep my best to keep up with your very passionate post-movie analysis debriefs, even though I don't understand what's happening. I promise to watch the Dune franchise with you as many times as you want. I promise that I will accept that your love for Momo might come before myself and the kids. It's such a long day, huh, baby? I know, I feel you.
For Remy, as you guys know, she's in social media like most of you. She started in 2011. She's OG from what they tell me.
I said, what does she do for a living? So he said, well, she's an influencer. And I said, what the hell's that?
The most inspiring thing about Cal is his love for Remy and their relationship. Truly watching you guys develop this I can't look at you guys.
Yeah, I'm not lifting the thing again.
Keep going.
I'm good, man.
You're good.
I'm good, I'm good.
Quick little face massage. We're okay.
Yeah,
It's the jaw.
yeah. We're all right, we're all right.
Despite his heinous floral shirt, lucky for Cal, Remy has since helped him with his wardrobe, as she's doing right now.
Wow, perfect timing. Wow.
I feel like I'm in a
My
movie.
smile just feels not real.
You need a little massage.
Oh, over. I can have fun now.
He cares about you more than I've ever seen him care about anything or anyone. And I saw that guy play Pokemon on Game Boy. And he really cared about that.
It feels real now. It does. In this moment.
She told me that Cal has been jealous about not having a ring, despite Remy telling him he could get one before. He wanted to wait until today.
As you heard some of that in the ceremony today, she's willing to be a Packer fan. And that's a big deal. That's a big deal.
Mr. and Mrs. Parsons.
To the bride and groom, we love you so much. You are endlessly, endlessly loved by everyone here. Cheers.
This is insane. This is crazy. Make sure you stay up for this after party because it's going to be
Crazy. You guys. That's going in our house. That is going in our house.
And at this point, there's only one thing left to do. By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Cal, you may kiss the bride.
Okay, baby.
This is crazy. We're married.
Look at your ring.
I know.
Oh my god.